The SkyQ Mini Box lets you watch Sky TV in multiple rooms without extra satellite dishes. First, plug the Mini Box into a power outlet and connect it to your TV using an HDMI cable. Turn on the TV and select the correct HDMI input. The Mini Box will guide you to download the SkyGo app on your phone or tablet. Use the app to scan the QR code shown on your TV screen. Next, connect the Mini Box to your Wi-Fi network. For a more stable connection, use an Ethernet cable. The Mini Box will then automatically pair with your main SkyQ box. This might take a few minutes. Finally, let any software updates install and test your connection by playing live TV or on-demand content. For the best performance from your SkyQ Mini Box, ensure you have a stable broadband connection. Sky recommends at least 10 Mbps, ideally 20 bucks or higher. Use the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce interference from other devices. If you experience weak Wi-Fi signals, move the Mini Box closer to your router or use a wired Ethernet connection. If pairing fails, try restarting both your main SkyQ box and the Mini Box. Also, check for interference from other electronic devices. Keeping your router's firmware up to date can also prevent connection issues. With these tips, you'll enjoy seamless multi-room viewing.